Hello! So today is Friday, the 23rd of September. It's been a couple of weeks that we installed the solar panels, and it's been, I think, like 5 or 6 weeks that we got our RV. And as always, we decided last minute that we're gonna start our road trip tomorrow, finally. But yeah, I want to take you along our packing day. I hope I can organize all of this so it's gonna be easier to follow. I'm gonna try to organize myself a little bit better and then I'll see you when we start packing. So I think we have a little structure now. This is all the cleaning stuff and stuff that we use in the bathroom. So in here we have hand soap, face stuff, our vitamins, deodorant, toothpaste, all those things. First aid kit, very important to have it in the car. Another whole bag full of medicine, some makeup, our towels, some other stuff for the bathroom, cleaning utensils, toilet paper, sponges, a bucket if we need to shower out of the bucket, some grocery shopping bags, trash bags, always clean up your trash, and some more things to clean. So now the problem is just gonna be to store everything in the RV. So let's go. Very important also, washing powder in case we need a quick wash to quick wash our socks. I had to change, it's so hot here today, but for the next step we tried to get everything that we need for our kitchen and to cook and all kinds of dry food and cans. So I'm gonna show you what we are taking. We're gonna take this stove in case we want to cook outside, and probably this gas tank, and then I pick the most important like kitchen utensils, some bowls, plates, pans. We're gonna take those bottles and our water dispenser so we have fresh water to cook, and then the messy part, voila. So here we basically have all our dry food and canned food and oil, coffee, all the stuff that we can take that's not gonna go bad. A bunch of fig bars. What else? I think we're gonna put this probably in the bag so it won't roll around. Then we have one box full of knives, silverware, a lime squeezer, salt, garlic powder, some plastic plates in case we don't want to do dishes, aluminium foil, napkins, our new kettle, some ganchos to hang our washing. We have some Ziploc bags. Yeah, some cups, Tupperware, a big ass bottle for water to keep water cold, and our snacks. I hope that's the most important stuff for now. Let's see if we can find space for this in the RV. What's important to say is also that we are moving from this trailer into this RV. So we've been living in a trailer for 3 months, so we probably have less stuff than people who live in a house or in an apartment anyways. But now it feels like kind of a lot that we have to move. You can watch us from above trying to fit everything. Okay, now that that's finished, I think we're gonna see what we need outdoors. Tables, chairs. Let's see, we'll show you. Okay, Miguel, what do you have there? What is this?
Hose for the compressor.
Hose for the compressor. And this is a compressor. And what does a compressor do, Miguel?
It's gonna, if we go into a sandy place and we have to lower the pressure on the tires so we don't get stuck, that's gonna help us once we get out of the sand to compress our tires back up so we can drive on the road.
Exactly. And other than that, for our outdoor stuff, we decided to take some coolers in case you wanna.
Oh, it feels fresher out here.
Yeah, in case you wanna keep our drinks cool. We have a fridge, but it's always good to have some ice. We are also taking a table, 4 chairs, in case someone comes to visit us. We also have some rope, and we have this gas tank for our stove.
I'm gonna take one of our gas tanks for our generators.
Miguel also brought in a very important thing that is called toolbox, and Miguel's matching with the toolbox. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
I'm trying to think how we want to put stuff.
We're either gonna do a separate video or show it later where we start everything. Probably gonna still move some stuff and see where it's the most convenient. We have so many drawers. I guess we'll figure out with time what's good to have, where everything is gonna be handy. Now it's time to pack our personal belongings, such as what, Miguel?
Laptop, Starlink, notebooks, phones, chargers, everything.
Books, glasses.
Drones.
Oh yeah, drone. Okay, the saddest part now probably is to take off our bedding here and put it in the new RV, because this bed is so comfortable. So this is our current bed, and now let's move everything to the other RV and I'll show you how the bed there looks like. And voila! We moved all the stuff. We're ready. It's official now. We'll have to sleep here. What do you think about that, Miguel?
Well, there's some sort of issue here because I don't fit on this side. If you see,
it's a bit cut off.
This side is cut off, so I have to sleep on the other side. But Julia doesn't like to sleep on this side, so we have to argue every single night to figure out who sleeps where.
Little teddy bear over there. Whose teddy bear is that? I don't know.
It's Petunia's.
It's Petunia's. I feel like we've been running around all day. We got very hungry now, so we'll go eat something and then maybe continue tomorrow with a fresh head, because we're not in a rush tomorrow. Right, Miguel?
Let's vamonos, Julia.
Let's vamonos. Let's vamonos and see you tomorrow to finish our packing.
So we had a slight change of plans. We are now leaving right now instead of leaving tomorrow. So as you can see, everything's happening very fast.
Okay, it's the same day. We didn't go eat. Our car broke down, and Miguel's parents' car also broke down, so we have to go and pick them up right now. We got a little bit overwhelmed by how fast everything ended up happening, but we're out and about now and hopefully didn't forget anything. So see you next week's video from the road already. Ciao, cacao!